Congrats on your progress so far and on taking meaningful action to advance your career. I wanted to let you know about some of the great career building activities and resources you'll encounter in the rest of this program. In the next course, and those that come after it, you'll have the chance to complete a number of hands-on activities based on data-driven scenarios. They'll let you put what you're learning into practice and help you discuss your skills with hiring managers in a concrete way. Be sure to save your work from these activities. They'll be useful to you as you near the end of the program and start thinking about the next stage of your data-driven career. When you get to the last course in the program, we'll go in depth on preparing for a job search. We'll cover how to find and apply for jobs that interest you. I'll also share some tips to help you prepare for the interview process, so you'll know what to expect going in. You'll learn how to put together an online portfolio that will help you demonstrate your knowledge and experience. You'll also complete a scenario-based project from beginning to end that you can put in your portfolio and use to present your working process to potential employers. With your past working and educational experiences, your career journey will be unique to you. But whatever path you choose, the knowledge and resources you gain from this program will give you a strong start. You've accomplished so much already, and there's so much more to come. Good luck on the next part of your journey. I'm excited to meet up with you again soon.